Guys, welcome back to my channel, which is called SadieCat, and please subscribe to the video and give a big thumbs up. So today we are building a solar polar robot. Is there tape? Is there gonna be tape? Yes. No tape. Finally. Nothing else in here. I wonder if there's even extractions. Ooh, there's extractions. Okay. You need a parent to help you with the wires. Look, there's wires. And springs. I don't know what this thing is for. Looks like you can bring that. Ooh, and here's the parts. I think we have to push it out here. Yeah, I see this. I think we have to push that out. Yeah, I'm gonna start on this. I think I need a scissors. So with this, please ask a parent to help you because you see these little things and then you need to cut it out. I created another invention and it is called the Smarty Thinker. So it's usual Smarties, but it has a brainwave thing in it. So if you eat it, it makes you think faster. Can I please taste it out? Okay, I want to taste it out, please. I'm tasting it. You can find it at any shop when you think of it. It's delicious. Next. 3,000 plus 2,000 is 5,000. Okay, let's get back to it. Got it! Now I'm going to try to snip it to the side. Snip. This is difficult. Almost at strong camera. Okay. Oh, there's numbers on here. Doesn't matter. There's just some numbers on there, so I don't know what that's for. It might just be how to take it out, but I don't need instructions how to take stuff out, people, okay? I don't need any instructions how to take stuff out. Here it is. Thanks, Mom. Or should I say, oh, thank you, Secret Hand. Thank you for helping me with the part. Got a piece out. My first piece. Okay. Right, here's 2 pieces. Yeah, I don't think I could do this with the hands. Let me check. Yeah, I could actually do it with your hands. And this is a +7. an 8 plus. But I am 7. But I don't care. My mom's helping me, that's fine. She's older than me. She's like 37. 37? Yeah, she's 37. Thank you, Secret Hand. A lot for helping. Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm going to set the wires aside before we get electrocuted.
I think we may finish the little headliner film thing, if you will. We were going to do some, we've got just headliner fabric itself, but I think what we decided
Secret Hand, you
to
added
do is
it?
use the last
Okay, Secret Hand, you go watch on TV.
Take some additional support to the bottom of that
Almost done with this.
shelf there, and
This big one is the part you're gonna need a lot most. Mom, you wanna say hi? Just say hi. Just say hi. Say hi. Just say. Say hi. Say it. She's Fluttershy today with Jason. SadieCat. There's also little parts on the side, so don't miss them. The little parts on the side. Don't miss them. With little plugs and little stumps. Like these. Ask an adult to help you with the wires and the solar panel because it's dangerous. Oh, and just to say, with the wires, don't touch the parts without the green or white. You only touch the green or the white. See? Because you can electrocate yourself.
Electrocate yourself.
If you touch a bare wire. So this is the mechanical part where all the wires, not all of the wires, or the springs and a few of the wires go in. There's like a little gear inside and a solar panel. So there's a special cover on that you shouldn't pull off until you put it on. R us. And same as this box. This. Not the Smarties, but I'm liking. I'm gonna throw it to the side of the camera. To you, okay? Like, seriously, it's a magic trick. I love it. 1, 2, 3. Mom, can you explain what you're doing? Yeah.
You have to take the wire and you're going to push it through the coil that's inside because they have to connect. So we push it so it goes into the coil and it stays stuck there. So it can't move. Solar panel. And then you attach it to the coil of the motor. It's up top here. And then we push it in there and just pull that wire down so it looks like that.
So you guys are trying it out. And Mom, I think my brain's getting sucked in the black hole. Yeah, I have a ring that's a black hole. On my. I'll throw it to you. Mom, can you tell me what the green things are for?
Those are part of the windmill. So we've done the solar panel, but now we've got to make the windmill. So we need that and we need these parts to make part of the windmill.
Alright, so
and we need
these
this one.
parts. We need like an electric arm, something like that.
This one.
And we need these round things.
We need this one.
The pointer. and the base.
So basically, we've got to take,
I just said base. You don't need to say it again.
basically, these put on like this.
Think more. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that you have the wires and you're gonna push it through the little spaces here. And then you see the solar panel? It has to stay in the sun until this moves. So it looks like a windmill. Well, it like takes the heat from the sun. Starts making electric waves which go through the wires all the way up to you and then automatically turns it. So let's put it in the sun. It's going faster. It's faster. Woo, woo. I think it's going overloaded. It should look like this if you change it into an airplane.
And there are a lot of technical things when it comes to building a shower in a vehicle that we have to consider. And one of them.
Let's put it in the sun. Come, let's go. Let's go. You can't even see the thing.